Today we are going to revise CA Foundation Economics Unit 1. So economics means the allocation of scarcity of resources to our unlimited needs and wants. For an example, I'm having rupees 20,000, okay, and in this 20,000 I have to allocate for my education and my personal needs, and I have to allocate some amount to my emergency situations, right? And business economics or managerial economics, it is nothing but it is an economic analysis which we can make a business decisions through this, and it will also give solution to the two issues. One is internal and second one is external. So internal analysis, it gives solution to this 7 problems. One is demand analysis and forecasting. So demand will increase when if price is less and demand for my product will increase, and forecasting means it is nothing but a prediction of a future. And second one, production and cost analysis. How much I have to produce, and for this 50,000 units if I am producing, how much it will cost. Next one, inventory management. For storing inventory, I have to spend something amount for the warehouse. And next one, resource allocation. For the resource allocation, we can say like that, if I am having plan A and plan B, plan A will cost around 50,000 and plan B cost around 30,000. In this, I am having around 70,000, and in this case there is no issue, right? So we can choose this project A. We are having the limited fund, right? So how we can allocate the resources, we can study through this. Next one, theory of capital and investment decision. We can take this example itself. If I am investing in a plan A, how much I will get in return? If I am investing in a plan B, how much I will get in return? We can say like this. In plan A, I am getting 10,000. In plan B, I am getting 5,000. So automatically we will select the plan A because we are getting more income than the plan B, right? And profit analysis, risk and uncertainty, it will also similar like this. If we are going through the risk aspect, we can choose the project which will give the lesser risk, okay? And second one, external and environmental issues, type of economic system and how the business cycle is going on, how the trends will be, and in this we have to consider customers' expectation, needs and wants, and our government policies, social economic organization and social politic, environmental also we have to consider. And nature of business economics can be divided into two categories. One is microeconomics and another one is macroeconomics. Microeconomics deals with the individual perspective and macroeconomics deals with the economy as a whole. So in this we can say like that at particular region or else particular country, okay? And in microeconomics, product pricing, consumer behavior, factor pricing and behavior of a firm's location of the industry, these items will be covered. And in a macroeconomics, overall input of the particular region or else a particular state and employment opportunities, total consumption, total savings and total investment, export and import.